Hi, this is Paul Larkin in Malaysia. In 2007, I founded Step Online Limited, which developed a web-based platform to track compliance throughout supply chains. Members of supply chains could use the system to help get themselves certified to whatever relevant production standard they wanted to promote, organic, sustainable, etc., and then publish their compliance. The tagline was Tracking Compliance. It is not easy to get diverse members of any supply chain to volunteer information to other members they do not know or trust, whilst it is imperative for the whole supply chain to be registered in order not to have gaps and therefore no credibility. When I started studying blockchain last year and understood the concept of distributed ledgers was taking hold in the public consciousness, I thought to myself, this is it. This will enable joining of the digital footprints along the supply chains in a trustless way, and we can at last get critical mass adoption in this area. During my research, I came across OriginTrail and quickly decided the efforts ongoing with the ODN protocol were a very good fit for my use cases. For me, the guys there are bringing credibility to their platform from which we can all benefit. In addition, I have found the chairman of the Trades Alliance, Mr. John Keogh's presentations to be incredibly well suited. My use case here involves the Malaysian palm oil industry, on which more than 1 million livelihoods depend. The industry is under constant attack by non-producing countries, despite all efforts made to demonstrate sustainability and good practices in the industry. Trust can be lost in a second, and it will take a lot of effort to reverse this trend. However, the country has introduced the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil Standard and made it mandatory for all producers of palm oil to be certified by accredited independent auditors as sustainable by the 31st of December 2019, or lose their license to produce palm oil. The licensing body is the Malaysian Palm Oil Board. The standard owner is the Independent Malaysian Palm Oil Certification Council. Step Online will gather publicly available production data from the three independent sources, MPOB, MPOCC, and independent auditors legally required to produce a public summary audit for every audit done. These three sources of data will be fed into the ODN with some use of some algorithms be compared and mapped to ensure they match. Once matched, we will have a trusted, immutable record of proof that all palm oil produced on Malaysian soil will have come from sustainable sources, and this will add to the credence attribute of the industry. Thank you.